I've just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so over here and just send in a thank you message. Thank you guys. I just want to apologise for any background noise. Got a new dog and she just goes off at anything she hears outside. So there's people talking outside, so she might be barking. Sorry about that, guys. But continuing with Hbar, I did make a video update yesterday, in fact. So I hope you guys enjoyed that weekend video update on Hbar. At that time, we were actually above the 20, but it seems as if though we have lost the 20 moving average. This, of course, by itself, turn off all the drawings. Don't look at supports and resistances. Just focused on the 20 moving average. That means that this move to the upside is a fake out, and so this means that we're going to get this bear market continuation with the loss of this low. However, we don't just rely on just moving averages. We use fibs, we use support and resistance patterns, and so on and so forth. So when I use the fibs, it's telling me that actually, although we have lost the 20, we're still a-okay because we're above the golden pocket. We're above the 5 to 6 month support which we were holding over summer last year has been reclaimed after FTX pushed price below it, confirming that we're going to see this bear market continuation. So when we did run into this gold box, we were anticipating a rejection with the fact that the second biggest exchange in the world, it was a scam and so on and so forth. But it looks like we actually pushed through and reclaimed all of those levels that were lost in November. And so with that, we've now created the reversal wave. This means that it actually suggests that Hbar should meet 14.5, 20, 25 and 30 cents eventually. You just need to fall within the criteria of holding 5 to 6 cent, 5.5 to 6 cent. I even marked out this wick low at 4.5 cent yesterday. So yes, if we do lose the golden pocket, it does mean we should not see 15, 20, 25 and 30. It means that actually we should be coming back down and going for bear market continuation. But there is a level of support here at 4.5 cent that you could bounce and reclaim this golden pocket. For me, it's all about the golden pocket. So even if you do lose it, yes, it means we're no longer going up. But if it's reclaimed, then it does mean we're going up. And what I do like is this weekly higher high here. I flipped the chart upside down and we were going through Bitcoin yesterday on the Hbar update, how when Bitcoin lost 40k, it was because of a lower low. So if I flip this upside down, you can see, let's pretend this is 40k. Oh, there we go. We just lost 40k and I was able to call the bear market. So what we saw for Bitcoin is a double bottom here. So one bottom, potentially a neckline forming, coming back down a second bottom, and it will look like it's continuing. And then, of course, when we flip the chart, that would be new lows. But with Bitcoin, it was a trick, basically. The double bottom was a trick. So could this double top potentially be a trick? That's if we get a double top, of course. If we bounce and top out, it will look like a big M pattern and people will call for continuation down. But if we reverse and go up, that becomes a double bottom. Okay, that is for more into the future. We're focused on what's going on here and now. And so if we zoom into the daily time frame, this green line that I marked out for you guys over the last few updates is still being held as support. So we're still within this old Fibonacci range from here to there. And so we're holding that as one fib level to try and reclaim the 786 and the golden pocket over here. Failing to do so, we will just continue lower and lower and lower. And here are our targets. Our 1272 at 5.5 cent. But again, look at our 1618 sitting at 4.5 cent down here. So you can come to this and still come back up. But yes, less likely if we're pushing through this. The case that should be followed is continuation lower and lower and lower if we were to lose this. But equally, we came down and you're meant to come back into this and hold it as resistance. That's what you should do. Just like right now, we should come down and hold this to continue up. Doesn't mean that 100% it will hold. You know, just a little doubt, just a little fundamental news event invalidates everything. So this is why I prepare for you guys on the channel. If we lose this area, coming back down to 4.5 cent. I will use some fibs now from the 0 fib down here to up here, and it's telling us the 786 is at 4.5 cent. Let me get rid of this fib. The 786 is at 4.5 cent. 618 and 0.5 at 5.2 to 6 cent. So a lot of support still here. Again, if we want to keep in the short term doesn't mean next week, next month. I just mean that's the path it's now going to follow. It doesn't mean there's a certain amount of time on that path. It will stay on that path until it invalidates it or meets its target. So right now we're on a path towards 30 cent. to stop going to 30 cent, price needs to fall below 5 cent essentially. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please do like, subscribe and comment. If you want to take action on the course, I'll show a little video over here right now to make it easier for you guys to take action. Do check out those channel memberships. If you do have the notification bells turned on, make sure they're turned on your phone settings or computer settings as well, because it says a lot of you have turned the notifications on but are still not getting notified. Equally, if you're a channel member, check out those channel memberships. Make sure you have the notification bell on, because you guys get early access to these videos. So make sure they're turned on for when the members notifications come out. Thank you guys so much again. Please do like, subscribe and comment. We're on the road to 10k, so share these videos. And if you want to take action on the course that's currently discounted, it's a 6 hour long course with 30 plus videos. You also get this included with my mentorship, which is a 10-hour long one-to-one plan, over 10 hours of one-to-one lessons that are 1 hour long. So of course, yeah, you have 10 separate lessons over a couple months period. If you want to take action, you can do so through my Buy Me a Coffee or my link tree. So I'll show you how to do that right now, guys. Thanks. So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship, it goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.